Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm going to go over and update you guys on AERC, a major breakout that we had in the Instables room. We mentioned this one on our weekly watch list. We broke out on Monday, and then we had our major breakout and our confirmation and alerted this one on Tuesday on over a 200% breakout. So if you did hold this from our weekly watch list into Tuesday, then you would have made over 500%. But again, not many people probably did that. But again, a major breakout on Tuesday, over 200%. Now, all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates every single day that I mentioned throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout like today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here, as you guys can see, we had our major breakout, and how could we have known that it was going to continue from Monday into Tuesday? As you guys can see, we did have our 20-day moving average holding over our 50. We also not only mentioned this one as a spike on Monday, but also mentioned on our daily watch list to make sure we are watching it into the next day. We did continue into the pre-market, we did continue on higher, and we just continued to break out throughout the day. One of the best breakouts that we had of the month in the Instables room. Now, as you guys can see, we have our highs here getting rejected on the body of our candle below 15 here. Again, we did jump over 15, but we did get rejected on the upper end of our wicks and the body of our candle here at 14.23. So I would be looking to see if we can at least jump over our $15 psychological resistance. And the reason I want to say that is because you guys can see on the daily chart, we do have a very strong resistance here. As you guys can see, we had a bounce from a major sell-off previously. We had a bounce and we did have our wicks, and now we cannot hold the body of the candle above this level here at 13.35. So again, above this doji candle with the body of our candle would give us more confirmation to jump into possibly here into 16 and then trimming leading into 18. That is what I'll be looking for to have a continuation on the daily chart. But as you guys can see on the 5-minute chart, again, it would come quick because it would probably be an intraday play and probably just continue on higher. Now, where I would be setting my alert is here on the MACD. As you guys can see, we have our previous spike. So I would be setting my alert right above this previous buy pressure point. As you guys can see, go over the plus sign here on the right here on trading view. And when you click that plus sign here, as you guys can see, you can add that alert, and then you could get alerted exactly. You could either have it text you or it will give us a pop-up here if you are watching TradingView. As you guys can see here, we have been curling up and the market has been having pressure to the downside. And when you have major squeezes like this, you will get pressure to the upside when the market does continue on lower because it reacts against the market as a speculation play. So we'll get some volume, but I have not been alerting this one as much. As you guys can see, we continue to get rejections. We spike up, we get rejections. There's no continuation here. So until we do get over that level and we do get that increase in buy pressure again, continuing to watch this one, but again, keeping this as a higher risk play till we do jump above our levels from previously, because this could just be a bounce off of pressure to the downside in the market since we had a negative CPI, again, the highest CPI that we've had of the year. So we're going to see exactly how the market reacts. If the market continues on lower, then that's why I wanted to mention AERC here, is because we could be watching to see if we can get a continuation and possibly even an overextension with not as much pressure as we need, but we still will alert this one if we do have pressure for the day to have a nice intraday play. So again, if you guys, again, are day traders or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, again, a major breakout here, over 500% from our weekly watch list that we mentioned every single week in the Instables room. And then we mentioned their spike on Monday and continued on as we had our daily watch list continuation here, over 200% on that breakout. So again, simply staying patient here. Another breakout that we had was RDBX. If you do want to see exactly how that may play out, how exactly that did play out, and what exactly give us confirmation there, go to the video before this that was from yesterday. But again, AERC, a very nice breakout. I had to recap on this one because, again, if we have major breakouts, you see volume, 100 million volume, over 5 million volume I think we had on Tuesday. It was an insane amount of volume that we had, and if you guys would have just saw that and you guys saw the 20-day moving average holding over the 50, if you would have saw our increases in buy pressure here on the MACD, getting multiple confirmations above our previous buy pressure points and continuing on higher, multiple confirmations here for nice intraday plays. So again, like I said, if you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, if you are an Instable already, I appreciate every one of you guys. You guys have been coming over every single day and supporting the channel. You guys mean a lot to me, and we will continue to go at it. No matter how bad the market gets, we will find the ones that react against the market at the end of the day, and just staying patient, taking what the market gives us, and playing the higher percentage plays, in my opinion, is key in this market. Now, again, we do have Fed hikes on Wednesday, so we're going to see exactly what the Feds do. If they do mention anything on increases in rates, since we got an increase in CPI this week, the largest that we've had of the year. So we'll see what the Feds have to say on Wednesday. And then we have triple witching on Friday, which, again, I'm going to go over the market tomorrow so you guys can see exactly where we may be headed next and what we're looking for to have a bounce. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's market update, or I will see you guys in pre-market on Monday.